This is our Acer E-mill. We're going to turn it on. It's in high gear. It has different settings, as you can see. Let me get a good picture of this. It has chromed ways, boxways that are chromed and ground. The back is the same as well. But in the cabinet here, you can see the drawer pulse. You can see there's different settings you can set it to, and it will. Here's the 1999. Let's just walk around first and take a look at everything. Here's the brake. There's the speeds for the quill feed. Here's the table. It's in great shape. There's the pump right there for the coolant. It comes up this little shaft right here. Gets turned on right there. And there's an on and off switch for that pump right here on the side of that box right there. Let's go ahead and turn the spindle on. It's in high. Right now we're going to go forward. I got it turned way down. You can see. We're going to turn it up. This is really nice. I moved this down like this so you can see. We're going to turn the quill feed on. You can see how it's going up. Now it's going down. Show you how that works. We're going to let it go all the way down. Show you how it kicks out the quill feed as you're drilling down. It's going to go down till you hit this spot right here. It's going to pop out, just like that. You move it up. It does the same thing on the top. Well, let's go ahead and speed it up. This is the sound. Let's go ahead and go reverse. Right now on this setting, we have it just going 3,000 RPM. There's another setting on the pulse over there that you can raise it up. It'll go all the way up to 4,000. Another setting goes to 4,500. Let's go ahead, turn it off, hit the brake. Let's put it in low. Right there on the side is the high-low gear. Let's go all the way back down. I turn it down. You see how it's barely moving. That's low. Right now, feeling kind of slow. The spindle is. Let's turn it all the way up in low gear. It's in a top speed of 350. In this setting, like I said, as you change the setting to different frequency, the top speed in low gear is 500. The top speed in high gear is 4,500. We'll show you reverse. You can slow it all the way down with this variable frequency drive, or you can speed it all the way up. Whichever you want to do. But here it is.